Hi everyone, I'm Angie and I'm going to be sharing with you one of my very favorite shakes and shake recipes. Today we're talking about 7.365 pH protein shake by Essanté Organics, and this shake is Pina Colada. You're going to love it. First of all, you need 5 ingredients plus ice, so it's really easy to make. And as I make it, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the benefits of the shake. First, I'm going to dump in my ice. It's an amazing shake because it's creamy, smooth, rich, and delicious. Next, I'm going to dump in my 1 cup of my favorite nut milk. This happens to be organic almond milk. You can also use cashew or coconut or whatever you like. Next, I'm going to dump in my protein shake powder. This is an organic shake. It's certified organic, each ingredient as well as the entire product itself. One of my favorite things about 7.365 pH shake is not only how delicious it is, but you actually save money when you purchase this shake and use it perhaps every day for breakfast. Kids absolutely love it too. And it's vegan protein, which is really hard to find. And it's the most alkaline, highest quality protein that you can get on the market. Our protein comes from yellow pea and brown rice. Again, both organic. I love cinnamon, dump in the cinnamon. And then if you have organic coconut extract, you'll want to add that as well. You don't necessarily need that if you're using organic coconut milk. We then put it all together. I'm going to blend it a little bit, and then I'll add in my fruit, which will be organic pineapple. This is an amazing ingredient all by itself because it is chocked full of enzymes, just like our shake is. A lot of our shake ingredients are sprouted, which increases the protein up to 300%. And one of the best things about this shake is that it is no heat dehydration. And what does that mean for you and your kids and your family? It means that all of the vitamins, all of the minerals, all of the amino acid proteins, all of the enzymes stay intact. All of the nutrition stays intact because of the no heat dehydration. So let's blend it up. Again, at about $2.80 a meal, you can't beat it. And it's truly, truly creamy, rich, smooth, and delicious. Let me take a little sip because I can't wait. One of the best, absolutely. Go online and read about all of the organic ingredients and the benefits that are delivered to the human body. If you are a bodybuilder, you will enjoy this shake tremendously because the proteins, and in particular the yellow pea protein that's organic, allows your muscles to change from a catabolic to an anabolic state, which is incredible. It also helps you maintain lean muscle mass, and it helps you energize, alkalize, and metabolize. Again, great for adults, great for kids. Enjoy your breakfast. Take care.